Hey, to take screenshot without using the volume and the power button on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, we've got actually two methods. The first one is actually the gesture screenshot, so you have to swipe from the left edge of the screen with your palm. Swipe like this across the screen and the screenshot was taken. You can take the multiple screenshots like this and you have to actually stick your palm into the screen. There we go. The second way is just to open the quick settings. Now click on this pencil icon and from this select edit full. Now move into the left side but just right here. Locate the screenshot icon. If it's not visible right here, it's actually already added, like in my case. But as default it will be actually just right here, somewhere here. So click and hold it and then drag wherever you want. Let's say that I want to put it between the portrait and the modes. Click done. Go back from this one, open it one more time and click on the take screenshot icon. And it was taken. And now if you want to locate those screenshots, go to the gallery, go to the albums, and here you can find the screenshots album. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.